Are you an entrepreneur or creator who's on a mission for good in this world? If you are, then you're in exactly the right place because on this channel, I give you the tools, strategies, and mindset that you need to not only create the life that you crave and deserve, but to also create the change that you wish to see in the world. So, a little bit about me. My name is Ariana. I go by Ari the Creator, but my message is that you are the creator. And a little bit about me, I am a successful business owner. I do YouTube full time, and I always say that it's not about having a big audience, but rather the right audience, mindset, and strategy. And on this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you what that all entails. So I am your guide in this journey, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I found a way after college to really create my own life and to not succumb to a 9 to 5 job. And what I will say is that starting a YouTube channel and a personal brand is the most healing thing that you can do, because I know a lot of people, like, they went through trauma or a lot of pain in life, like maybe they went through a divorce or just the school system and the government really just suppressed them and brought them a lot of pain. And this is one of the most freeing things that you could possibly do. And when you take the courage and the efforts to actually create your own life, you're actually creating a better world, because what this channel is all about is creating the change that you wish to see and using YouTube and business as a vehicle in order to do so and to become self-actualized. So on this channel, I have 3 main topics that I focus on. With that being said, it's self-actualization, YouTube, and business. And you might be wondering, well, what is the definition of self-actualization? And for me personally, self-actualization is when you are fulfilling the highest, most truthful expression of yourself as a human being. And you're no longer just thinking about you. You're thinking about, how can I contribute beyond myself? It's not just about me. Like, how can I make the world better? And Abraham Maslow talks about this in his pyramid, his hierarchy of needs, because when you get to that place, that's when we really start to heal. And that's when we really enter the next session of human evolution. So that's my goal with this channel. So what can you expect? You can expect at least bi-weekly videos, so twice a week. And I also take those videos and then I make them into shorts, for people who like that form of content. And then, yeah, be sure to tune in weekly for that and subscribe, because I do drop weekly gold nuggets. I like to give value. There are some YouTubers who like to hold a lot back and you have to buy their products and services before you can get any of that value. But I'm not like that, because I want to help you get you to where it is that you want to be. So yes, be sure to subscribe, because you won't want to miss out on community events, all the free resources that I give out for free. And to just start you off, I do have a free mini course that will really help you to create real income and impact using YouTube as a vehicle. And again, that's free. You can sign up down below. I also have a $97 course all about how you can get started on YouTube in just 30 days and start making real income with that. You can also purchase that down below. And then I also offer one-on-one road mapping sessions where we'll get in a Zoom, I'll assess your current situation, and I'll help you get you to where it is that you want to be. Because the truth is that, on YouTube, I can only do so much to help you, because what I found is that everybody's niche and situation is different. So I want to help you get you to where it is that you want to be. So yeah, that's what this channel is about. Be sure to check out those resources down below and subscribe and tune in weekly for videos. Much love to you all, and thanks for watching.